You know, that crazy person that you see taking their carpet off cuts for a walk. That's me today. Morning all, welcome to Cassie in the garden. It's Friday morning. I've booked a day off work because I just felt like it, and thought I'd spend the morning, well most of the morning, on the plot. Excuse the squintiness, the sun's shining in my eyes. Excuse the bags, I was up for ages with Finn last night. But we're all good. This is a good pumpkin. So each year on the plots we have a potato competition, and the chairman, you buy a potato off him for £1, and everyone, it's all from the same variety of his, what he's got. So you buy a potato, plant it, and then now, which is what, 8th of September, so in a couple of days, he's going to come around and weigh them all in, see what everyone's grown or achieved. Last year I failed miserably. I think I came last or second to last, so I'm probably not the best person to be teaching you about potatoes, but it was my first year on the plot. This year what I've done here behind me, that was a pile of manure that I couldn't fit in my manure compost bin, so I've just put it in there. I thought I'm not going to do any worse than last year. The plant this year has grown quite well. So yeah, which is a lot better than before, and a lot better than anything else I've grown. So we might be onto something here. I don't think we'll be winning. It's better than last year. So next job, to dig up my potatoes, my second earlies. It's gone a bit bonkers with weeds, this bed, so I might have to forgo no dig at the moment. Dig them out, turn the soil over, and then I'm going to mulch it with some leaves and some grass cuttings, because I probably won't be planting in it for, I don't know, a little while. But yeah, mulching is always good. Excuse the state of me, I'm really hot. So, potato harvest is pretty dismal compared to how many I planted, but I've got a bag of potatoes there. One other thing, I've invented a new game. It's called Stone or Potato. Is it a stone? Is it a potato? So we're going stone or potato, stone or potato, stone or potato, stone. Stone or potato, stone or potato, stone or potato, stone or potato, stone. Stone or potato, stone or potato, potato, potato looking stone. Yeah, I'm sure it'll catch on. So I've done as much as I have time for today to do the leaf mulching. It's got another barrow full to do, but yeah, I really have to go home, shower, and then get Finn from nursery. But I just wanted to show you this. Like this is lovely. Look at that. Oh gosh, it feels lovely. That's only going to break down more. What it is here at the plots, they collect leaves, and then so these have been here since last autumn, but in the pile, and I just dug these from the bottom of the pile, pretty much, and it's flipping ace. So excuse my face, I'm probably filthy. I've been sweating like anything. I'm wiping my face with my muddy hands. Anywho, so nutritionally, the leaf mould is not particularly nutritious or anything, but it just helps with the structure of the soil, and as the worms pull it down, that will really help with the soil structure. I'm probably going to, what I want to do with this bit is put in the fennel that I'm growing, something else I'm growing as well, hopefully next week. So that'll be what, mid-September. I sowed them last month, so I want to put those in here. And because I've not had a great potato harvest out of it, I think it's probably nutritionally lacking. So for the fennel, I'm going to feed with something, maybe fish blood and bone, definitely seaweed, but maybe something powdery so it will probably last a bit longer. Yeah, and then got my manure in that butt there. You can see, where's my finger? There. So that'll go somewhere later in the autumn, maybe on this patch, depending on how the growing goes. I hope you've enjoyed my visit to the plot today. Probably ended up quite short with regards to videoing, but I've been here for, I've absolutely no idea, nearly 3 hours I think, just digging and mulching and sweating. So enjoy your weekends, stay safe in the sun, and happy growing.